USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about the dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share, and below the video you'll find many links. So it says get my weekly swing setups, the first link. So if you want exactly the trades which I am interested in every week with my full analysis, with exact numbers, stop losses, take profit and everything, and constant updates, then check out the first link below, because I analyze these pairs, all these pairs, and look for the opportunity coming for next week. So if you want to get updated and get the same signals which I do personally, then check out the first link below. Join the membership, and then it says brokers. You can get the brokers. Join free Telegram. Check out all the links in your free time, and I'll just start the analysis here. So weekly we have the rejection. Okay, so sellers are in control. You can see in the weekly. So we will go down daily time frame. Okay, we have made a new high, so we are probably in the uptrend, just taking a pullback, and this pullback could be serious until the EMA coming back to 4 hour. We are already in the downtrend, so we have to wait. Okay, this is your new downtrend. There will be two possibilities. Either this will continue or discontinue. Okay, so when will it discontinue? When this is broken, taken. If the new breakout bullish candle takes this high, breaks above my line here, that's your continuation of the uptrend. And if you're more confirmation, then put one more line here and let this swing high be taken. Okay, all right, cool. If the price closes above my second line, that is the bullish continuation. Okay, if that doesn't happen, if the price just stucks here and then continues going down, that's your downtrend. Okay, so let me delete these lines. Did you understand the logic? I'm sure you did. Okay, so here we got what we got. Okay, if this candle is taken by the bullish engulfing candle, then we go up. Okay, otherwise we have to look for shorts only. In USDJPY, I think this is forming the head and shoulder. Okay, so my experience says we will touch this. Okay, we will touch this high. So what happens is trying to form the head and shoulder in the 4 hour. Okay, so in this case it is a reversal, but what will happen is the price will go up and it will touch this, it will touch this, and then there will be a long rejection wick. Okay, price touching the previous high. So this is your previous high will be touched, then rejected, and the longer wick will come, and the candle will close below the high. Okay, candle will not close above this high, candle will close just slightly below with rejection. That will be your double kind of top, but that's future. That is what I'm talking about in the future. Okay, but looks like this is the head and shoulder forming in action, and after that we will go down. Okay, so what we got here? Nothing more. Okay, so I think this is just in daily we are in the uptrend, but we must take a pullback until the EMA. Okay, things will be getting clear in next couple of days on Tuesday, because this move will signify if this is taken or this is if this is taken, then we are in the bullish. Okay, but as I said, we will touch it, reject it, and go down. Time will tell. Okay, subscribe, like and share, join the membership if you want everything, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.